Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, thanks for joining me today. Okay, I have another diamond painting. I already opened it. That I ordered from AliExpress. Yeah. Okay. And this one is 30 by 30 centimeters, and it's a small one. I have another one that I ordered from Diamond Club, Diamond Art Club last night. I need to quit it because I haven't even started one yet. But I figure I'm going to start this one first. I'm going to start this one. I got this one today, and it is my zodiac sign, the Capricorn, the goat. Glare, guys, and this is what I've learned, that they're clear cover, that it is poured adhesive. So that is that. So, and again, it's 30 by 30. They come with 20 colors, and these are the drills. Let's see. Oh, and this came with the normal stuff that comes with it. And let's see. Okay, here it is. And the drills are round. So I'm going to kit this up, and then I'm going to get started on one of these. Like I said, I have two. Got another one coming. Maybe how many I got in here? I got two under here, and then I got this one. I got another one coming, so I gotta get started on these. Oh, I'm just buying them and ain't even working on them. So these are the colors. One A366 A. Wait a minute. That was the same number. Let me see. Okay, no, this says that. Okay, I see now. They're not giving the numbers of the DMC numbers. They go with this. That's A366. So we're not getting DMC numbers. I don't know if I like that or not. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is how, yeah. 11, 12, 13, 14, and there's some stray ones supposed to be up here. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let me see. I'm trying to see if they have any DMC numbers on here anywhere. And this is all that's came with it. So, I don't know. Uh-oh. So come out. Okay. That's just... Alrighty, so I want to see if I can go ahead and kit this up, but I don't know if I want to kit it up, because then I'm not going to kit it up right now, because I don't know how I'm going to do this with no DMC numbers. Oh dang. Okay, so yeah, we won't be kitting it up today. I don't know what this is called at initially. Yeah. There we go. I guess. I don't have any issues, guys. Oh well. Alright, I figured out a way to kit it up. But and since these are there doesn't seem to be a lot of them. It doesn't give you a number of how many drills is in here total either. So I think I'm going to use this small one. I think I'll probably get them all in here. I don't know. So I'm you know what? I think I will go ahead and kit it up. I will go ahead and do it. Alright, so let's find the labels, and we'll just label these. And I'll just label them the same way that they are on the packaging. Alright, so let's just get this up real quick. Okay guys, so I got it all done. Now y'all can see where some of these, they were strays and I had to go and pick them out. And then when I first started doing it, that's not why I was pouring them into the little bowl here on the boat, because it was just easy for me to pour them out of this little spout than to dump them in from the bag, because these little containers were so small. And so y'all can see that there was a lot of stray ones, so I'm glad I started doing that. But yeah, the only color that had a lot that what I was gonna fit in well was this number 15 color. Let me see. Now I already can see that it looks like the codes are going to be fine. I can see those. I was surprised I could tell the difference in these colors, because guys know I'm blind. I got my contacts in. It's time to get more, and I don't have glasses because those are broke. So I've got one pair of contacts, and it's time to get some more. So I could see these pretty well. But I did, you guys saw my previous video that I do have a light pad, so it's not going to be a problem. Even if I can't see these, I can just use that. But this is going to be fun. So I'm going to start on this one soon. Hopefully tonight, if I don't get my housework done. I'm still cleaning from 2 weekends ago. My grandkids are here. It takes me a minute. It's 6 of them, and the smallest one, well, the 3 younger ones, and the baby, the 13-month-old, they take a lot of me. The older ones, they are good with playing a game or going outside or whatever. But the 3 little ones, Yeah, they wear me out, especially the baby, because I'm his favorite, and he always want me to tend to him. He's the one that's most attached to me. So that's an issue I have to deal with sometimes. But as I still on my babies, it's not a problem. But yeah, so I'm going to start on this one real soon, hopefully today. After I get my housework done, and I got some swaps in my other group that I got to get done. What's something else I want to say with this? Oh, the drills, they look like any were sticking, and they looked pretty good. I didn't see any bad ones or any junk in there where, you know, you got pieces that was not supposed to be in there. So I didn't find any of that. So they look like pretty good drills. And this, again, this looks pretty good. So I'm hoping this is going to turn out pretty cool. Again, I got these from AliExpress. So these are pretty good so far. It looks good. Oh, let's measure it. It says 30 by 30 centimeters. So I'm assuming that's just the mat. So it's actually, the drill size is actually a little less than 24 centimeters. So yeah, it's not the true 30-30 size. It's the actual whole canvas. So it's still gonna be a good size. So let me see how big it is in inches though. About 9.5 inches squared. Not so bad. So I think I'm gonna get a couple more of these. I'm gonna do one for my mom and my sister for Christmas presents. I'm gonna frame them up and everything. I'm not gonna get. I was thinking about getting one for my sister to do, but no, she's not gonna. She'll be losing drills, and she probably just as blind as I am. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the one to do these up for Christmas. I might get any more of these, to do them as Christmas presents. So this is pretty darn cool. So thanks guys for watching, and hopefully I'll get to work on this today. Got it all kitted up and ready to go. And I got one more kit coming that I just ordered again from Diamond Art Club, and it's a huge one. That's the most I paid for one. It's like $40 or something. I got I think it was on sale, and then plus I used a code that I got for first time buyer. So that was pretty cool. It was like 15% off. So that was a good deal. So yeah guys, again, thanks for watching and joining me today, and y'all have a colorful day. Bye.